Are you having trouble with your contacts not syncing with iCloud on your iPhone? It can happen for a variety of reasons, like incorrect settings, connectivity issues, or problems with your iCloud account. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through some simple solutions to help get your contacts syncing properly again. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Solution 1. Check iCloud settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, select iCloud. After that, tap on See All next to Save to iCloud. Now, scroll down a bit. Make sure to toggle next to Contacts is turned on. If it's already on, try turning it off. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. Now, restart your phone and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Sign out and back into your iCloud. Go to Settings. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap on Sign Out. Wait a moment, then sign back in. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open the Settings app again. Tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings and go to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your passcode. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After that, the issue should be resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your contacts not syncing with iCloud on your iPhone. If the problem still isn't resolved, or if you need any more help, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.